weather.
It's
lovely.
been doing this for. Look at out there. You can start. That's a pond. You can have fish out there.
So lovely.
How long has it been raining like this?
Oh, on and off for the past week. Although it was nice when we saw the halls.
Yeah, that was nice.
It's supposed to be nice tomorrow.
Is it?
And Sunday and Monday and Tuesday.
No,
Well,
no.
not nice, but no rain.
No rain.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's amazing. The rain here, they measure it in feet, not inches. But that's the way it is.
It's the way the cookie crumbles.
That's how you keep it so green.
And they're packing
And they're packing up the house, yeah. Packing up the house.
pictures.
Yeah. And the weather today, as you can see, is cloudy. There's actually, I'll put a picture up, but the storms coming through across the Pacific or Atlantic are absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. But the weather is still fucking nice, isn't it? No? It's not.
No.
No.
Oh, stop raining.
Alright guys, cheers. See ya. Mountain out.